Unparalleled Houston home. Located in Katy, Texas, this community is rapidly developing. I'm your Unparalleled Houston Realtor, Ken. Today I'm going to show you guys 3 beautiful homes, their incentives, and the subscribe button. If you guys are planning on buying, selling, or relocating to the greater Houston area, you know who to call. Let's go check out this home. Walk with me. What do you guys think about that home? Hit the like button if you guys like it. That home priced at $375,000. For the HOA and taxes, the taxes is 3.65%. HOA is $800 to $1,600. If you want to live in a gated community, it's going to be another $400 on top of the $800. And if you want lagoon access, which they're building down the street, it's going to be absolutely gorgeous. It's going to be resort-like lifestyle. So then you guys can have your kids come there. They're gonna have a water park and everything there. That's another $400. For this next one, this is one of my favorite builders, not because of the upgrades that they have inside, but because of how affordable they make homes. We're here now, let's check it out. Walk with me. That home we viewed was a 4-bedroom, 2.5 bathroom, 2250 square feet. It's priced at $400,000. If you guys are planning on purchasing a new build, it's best to get in early just because the price is gonna be a lot lower and the incentives are a lot greater. Don't forget about location. Everything is within a hand's reach, whether it's the schools, grocery stores, or restaurants nearby. We are at the last home now. Let's go check it out. Walk with me. For the final home was a 5-bedroom, 4-bathroom, priced at $560,000. Let me know which one is your favorite out of the 3 down below. Thank you guys for making it to the end of this video. If you guys are planning on relocating, buying, or selling in the greater Houston area, our team would love to help out. Unparalleled Houston Homes, out.